jet without wings. Rockets travel very fast into the sky. The astronaut can fly a rocket to the moon. Oh look, the first letter in the word rocket is A-R. Touch the letter R. The sound R makes is R. Say the sound back to me. Good job. R says for rocket.
Like space rocket, get it? Is to use on this side. So just like before, let's get a piece of tape. It's okay if it's a little longer or shorter, but if you're thinking about it, or if you like, you can make two pieces and sit them down and cut them for to make it look a little even, so that it looks cool when it's flying. All right, see here. Just put it along the crease of the propellers, and there's the base.
Fins are on the bottom base to help the rocket go straight in outer space.
You'll learn about that in physics. Okay, so tuck that in there. You don't want to block it because the straw has to go in there. Scrappy. Let's see, I can use this pencil to just press it in there so it's not blocking. There, that's fine. And let's see what the straw, make sure the straw can go through there. Look at that, it's in there pretty firm. So, all right, so let's say I blow air right in here in this area, right? And at the other end, what's gonna happen? The air is gonna go straight out of there. So the rocket will likely do what? Will it go anywhere? Probably not. No, because air would just go right through. So we're not building up any what? Pressure, air pressure. And so here's where air can escape, and through here, air can escape. So let's see, I could do one or two things. I'm liking this pink. Let me fold the bottom part of the base. So it looks like the rocket. Look at that, it can stand already. And let me just press the tape. Now that I'm sure. And secure. All right. So let's put, let's see, it should be a nice piece here. If not, there's all kinds of ways. That's too thin. Wait. Yeah, that's too thin. There we go. Yeah, I'm a little, my eyes are not the same as they used to be. All right, so, okay, so a little piece, you don't need a great big piece to cover, especially if you're using colorful tape. You don't want to look too, you want to look cute. So we're just going to put two or three pieces to block the what from going through. Yes, going to block the air from escaping. So just put on another piece. Like that. Block it either way. I think I'm going to put one more on this side. Let's cover. Look at that. Some of that tape is helping me down below. All right. So the students, the age, it really doesn't matter, because if they're young, they're very young, it could be a lot of fun. It's just a matter of the words, like how many terms that you want to use to explain. And then based on in the curriculum, what subject area of discussion. Got lots of pieces of tape here. There we go. And if they're the little ones who do get a ton of fun out of this, they can always be supported with the aide or instructor on creating a rocket. And you can be as young as